On this next use case, I want to find out who are my top talkers on a specific network interface. To do that, I'll select Reports and go to Traffic. From here, because I want to do interfaces, I'll simply select Interfaces. And from here, you type in the interface you want. All mine start with SH for Steelhead, so I'll put in SH, and it'll fill in all the different interfaces out there. I want to look at the data center WAN. From here, you select a starting point, and if you want to put in any DSCP markings, you put in that filtering. Then you can select Report By. We're doing it by ports, but as you can see, there's any number of metrics you can choose from. We'll stick with ports. There's additional criteria. Click this, you can put different, if you want to focus on a specific application, you can even select advanced criteria, which add even more types of filtering. So you can be very specific as to what you want to look for. As far as report format, what you want to look at, I want to show overall traffic, and I want to separate it by inbound and outbound. And the type of graph I want is a time chart and a summary table. So now I'll just simply hit Run Now. And here's a report looking at the data center WAN 0_0 interface. So we start off with the overall traffic, and we're looking at inbound and outbound traffic, and we can see outbound is by far consuming more bandwidth than inbound. And then we break it out by each one. First is the inbound traffic, and we're looking at protocol and port, so we can see who's using the bandwidth. Here it's HTTP is your top user for the inbound side, and then for the outbound side, same kind of view, and here we see catch pole. So that protocol is consuming 7% of the bandwidth, so you might want to look into that. Might have an unauthorized application running. So that's how you can look at specific information per interface on who's consuming the bandwidth.